Welcome to therapy. Hey guys, welcome back to therapy. If you are new to my channel, my name is Rosa and this is therapy. If you have been following me on Instagram, then you kind of already knew that this series was coming, but if you did not know, I am going to be starting a series on my YouTube where I kind of share with you guys what I have learned so far when it comes to editing and creating content that, really draws people's attention and draws eyes in, as well as content that brands look for. Kind of the reason why I've been able to get so many collaborations without having to pitch myself. My work has kind of done the talking for me. I'm going to be sharing things from the apps and programs that I use to create content, the equipment that I use to film and record, tips and tricks that have made it easier and faster for me to put out high quality and engaging content, and just like I said, everything that I have learned so far in my content creating journey. All right, so we're gonna jump into this episode. I'm going to be jumping into this series beginning the end of December on throughout the rest of the new year. I'm excited. This has been something I've wanted to do for at least a year now, and that people have been asking me, when am I going to have a master class? To be honest, I'm still learning in this journey, and I am not at the point where I feel like I need to charge anyone for this information, because I didn't pay for it. I found it on YouTube and searching and doing research. So I'm going to share what I know. I want to know more about you guys and your content creating journey as well. So please comment down below. How long have you been doing Instagram, YouTube, content creating? And then what program are you currently using, or app program are you currently using to create your content on? There's so many options out there, and sadly I won't be able to cater to every single program that you guys might use, but I am going to show you what I use and what I have found helpful, and I'm going to try to direct you in the direction you would need to go to get more information for those specific programs. But yeah, comment all that down below. Let me know. Let's chit chat. I want this to be an interactive series. I want people to not only learn things from what I'm saying in the video, but from what other people say in the comments as well. So go ahead, light that comment section up with questions, with the information about you and your content creating journey so far, and things that you want to see in this series. And we're just gonna move on from there. So like I said, I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. I hope me uploading this intro video for this series makes you even more excited, especially if you've been waiting for a long time for me to put this series out. Yeah, and I am gonna give y'all a little sneak peek about the next episode, so you don't gotta wait that long. We're gonna talk about quality. We're gonna start off talking about quality. So I'm gonna share some things even before you start recording that will help you to start to improve the quality of your content. So yeah, I hope you're ready for episode 2, and I will see you guys in that one.